Example 5. Evaluate the definite integral from 5 to 9 of 8 divided by quantity 2x minus 8 squared dx. So once again, I see I have an internal here raised to a power that has a derivative, so I'm going to use that to be my u. So my u is 2x minus 8. My derivative of u with respect to x is 2. I'm going to multiply both sides by dx. I'm going to try to isolate that dx. du is 2 times dx. Divide by 2. That's going to isolate my dx, and I can substitute for that as well. Now, when I switch over to the indefinite integral that has the u substitution, don't put those endpoints. Make it an indefinite integral. So I've got an 8, which I don't have anything to substitute for. My 2x minus 8 is my u, so that's going to be u squared. And instead of dx, I'm going to put du over 2. And now, look, I have all u's, and I have a 2 on the bottom that will divide into an 8 and leave a 4. So I'm going to do the integral of 4 over u squared du. And if I write that with a negative exponent, 4 u to the negative 2 du, I can easily use the exponent rule now, all right? So the integral is going to be 4 u to the negative 2 plus 1 divided by negative 2 plus 1. No plus c because we're going back to the definite integral. So that's 4 u to the negative 1 over negative 1. And that would be negative 4 over u to the 1. Because look, this negative 1 exponent is going to take this base back down to the denominator. And a 4 divided by negative 1 is a negative 4. And you can put the negative even with the bar as well. Doesn't matter. Okay. Now we're going to go back and put in what we had for u. Remember, it was 2x minus 8. So we need to do negative 4 over 2x minus 8 evaluated at 9 and 5. All we're doing is we're substituting in for u, and now we're going to substitute these values in for x. So the first one we do is the 9. So it's negative 4 over 2 times 9 minus 8 minus negative 4 over 2 times 5 minus 8. That is negative 4 over 18 minus 8, which is 10, plus 4, because look, I've got a negative and a negative that make my positive. And this is 10 minus 8, which is 2. So I can reduce that to negative 2/5 plus 2, common denominator 5, negative 2/5 plus 10 over 5 gives me a final answer of 8/5.